Hi everyone, my topic tonight is bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the emission of light by a living organism. The largest amount of biomass are deep in the ocean, about 2,500 to 3,000 feet or below. So from the word itself, bio means living things, and luminescence means lights. These species under the ocean deep sea in the abyss produces light. Chemiluminescence that take place inside a living organism. Example, this is a rare type of jellyfish that you can see deep sea. So it's on the abyss zone, where you have to use a submarine to see this special type of jellyfish. So this type of jellyfish produces its light. So when a chemical reaction happens, it glows. Some bioluminescent organisms, including fireflies and fungi, are found on land. So this one is the fungi. It produces green light, so it's a green spectrum, and it is found in the rotten wood. This is one of the common bioluminescent organisms that you can find in land. The chemical reaction that results in bioluminescence requires two unique chemicals, the luciferin and luciferase, or luciferin and photoprotein. Luciferin is the substrate, and the luciferase is the enzyme that triggers the substrate. And photoprotein is like a luciferase. It is the one that you combine to luciferin, which when a chemical reaction happens, it produces light. So one example of the bioluminescence organisms that we can find in land is the firefly. These fireflies produces light on the abdomen, which they do to attract mates and to glow. How does bioluminescence work? It is a chemical reaction that produces light on a living organisms. This is an example of bioluminescence algae. So as a luciferin and luciferase interact, the chemical reaction happens and it produces light. Bioluminescence algae are known for producing a vivid flash of blue-green light whenever their surroundings are disturbed, usually by something as simple as the water around them being in motion. As you see, there's a lot of glowing algae in this place because the motion of water. The water is continuous moving, which the algae also is doing a chemical reaction when luciferin and luciferase interact, which the algae glows in the dark. A light in the darkness. Let's pretend we are at the submarine. So as we go dive in, we go in the epipelagic zone, where sunlight can still penetrate. You can see the fish, marine mammals, plankton, and coral reef. As you move deeper, we go to mesopelagic zone, which is the twilight zone, and becoming more darker. Below 1000 meter is bathypelagic zone, which is the midnight zone. And the more deeper, the more the bioluminescence organisms glows. In the abyssal zone and the Hubble zone is completely blackness, which the animals make their own lights. When they glow in the dark, they make the lights on their bodies, where sunlight cannot penetrate. On the abyssal zone, which is complete blackness and darkness, we can see the anglerfish. The anglerfish has a huge head, sharp teeth, and a long, thin, fleshy growth called the filament on the top of its head. On the end of the filament is a ball called the esca that anglerfish can light up. So this esca is the light. This is made up of bacteria. Chemical reaction from the anglerfish, then it produces light. Let's see what is the anglerfish gonna do on its light. The most famous predator to use bioluminescence may be the anglerfish. So in the abyssal zone, which is completely darkness and blackness, the anglerfish have a built-in light, which is the esca. They use it to trap small fishes. And that is a trap for them because they lure the prey and the anglerfish eats them. They basically use the light to get a food. Some fishes is not as lucky as the anglerfish. Some fishes doesn't glow in the dark, and some fishes doesn't have a built-in light. Fish that doesn't glow and how to steal a light. This is a coastal fish. So this coastal fish doesn't really glow in the dark. How to steal light? So when the coastal fish eat an organism like crustaceans, and these organisms have a luciferin and luciferase, that is the chemical that produces light, then they can produce a light. So the only way to steal a light is to eat an organism that can produce a light. Squid. They use their bioluminescence to light up the underside of their body with a dim glow, a strategy called counter-illumination, to disguise themselves from predators. The squid's eyes absorb blue light, letting it see non-blue wavelengths easier. As you can see, the squid can dim the light, so they have a dimmer switch by themselves. They just dim it's their strategy to disguise or to protect themselves. Also, they can absorb blue lights. As you can see, their body is glowing in blue expectrum. Some fish dangle a light lure in front of their mouths to attract prey, while some squid shoot out bioluminescence liquid instead of blank ink to confuse their prey. Jellyfish. It occurs when a substance called luciferin reacts with oxygen. This releases energy and light is emitted. So the color of the jellyfish varies, depends on the molecules of the luciferin. You will see on the next page how beautiful a jellyfish glow. As a chemical reaction happens, and the luciferin interact with luciferase, the jellyfish glows beautifully. Bioluminescence dinoflagellates produce light using a luciferin. When it interacts with the luciferase, then this chemical reaction produces a light. The luciferase found in the dinoflagellates is related to the green chemical chlorophyll found in the plants. So chlorophyll is the photosynthesis. It's the process how the plants make food. Bioluminescence dinoflagellates are a type of plankton, tiny marine organisms that can sometimes cause the surface of the ocean to sparkle at night. So as you can see, the oceans have blue expectrum. This is the planktons that glows when the chemical reaction of luciferin and luciferase interact. So the side of the ocean glows. My final topic is the Waitomo glowworms cave. It is found in New Zealand. I haven't been in New Zealand, but one day I want to go there to visit this cave. It is so beautiful. So Waitomo? Y means water and Tomo means a hole. This Waitomo cave have heaps of glowing worms. As you can see, it's so beautiful that the worms glows and emit light, and yeah, it looks like a crystal to me. I haven't been there, but yeah, hopefully one day. So the glowworms emit light, and then this light attracts insects. This is the Waitomo cave in New Zealand, and welcome to the Waitomo cave. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the night.